The next thing we are doing this week for week 2 of the Chore Coat Quilt-Along is attaching these shoulder seams up here. And I'm going to be showing you how I like to finish my seams for quilted clothing. I'm going to flip this around. We're going to align our panels right sides together. This corner is going to overlap slightly. I've sewn my shoulders together, the front and the back panels. Now, the way that I like to finish my seams is a finish as you go process. If you're going to bind them all at the end, you can just let them be. However, I like to press mine open and then I sew a 1/4 inch outside of my seam line and then trim the excess. Personally, I've found that quilted material is thick enough and tends to be stiff, so adding a binding on top of your seam allowance adds bulk and creates stiff, blocky shoulders instead of the soft drape that you would like in a quilt coat. So I'm going to press them, stitch them open, and come back and show you how I trim the excess. Right, so you can see here, I've sewn open my seams. I'm going to take my scissors and trim right along that seam line. Getting rid of the excess bulk. Turn it around. So you can see how smoothly that lays on this side. And at the end of your finished coat, it's still a very flexible, loose seam. And I think it just gives a really pretty drape to the rest of the coat.